Hi guys, my name is Michaela and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be talking about GoodNovel. As you all know, GoodNovel was founded in 2017 and it has grown into a huge community of writers and readers. So today we'll be exploring the features and the benefits of GoodNovel. So let's dive in. So guys, GoodNovel is actually a great platform for writers to showcase their work. They offer various benefits including competitive royalties, bonuses, and a supportive community. Now, what do I mean? I mean that GoodNovel, you can share your stories there to have a great audience and get paid for your work. So GoodNovel has two types of contract, which is the exclusive and the non-exclusive contract. An exclusive contract, which means that your work can only be published on GoodNovel. If your work has been published on other platforms, you must remove it within 30 days. It's fine to upload like 3 chapters of your work on other platforms to get readers to read the whole chapter on GoodNovel, but failure to do so, GoodNovel will consider it as a breach of contract. So for the non-exclusive contract, you can actually publish your work on other platforms, but it has to be pay to read. What do I mean by pay to read? They have to pay to read your work. Your work should not be free. If it's free reading, GoodNovel will also consider it as a breach of contract. So both contracts have a reward. Like for exclusive contracts now, you have a signing bonus. $100 will be added to your account once your book is signed and has reached 30k words in 60 days, guys. Isn't that amazing? And you also get a monthly attendance bonus, which will start calculating once you have fulfilled your signing bonus. For your non-exclusive contract, guys, you will receive 50% profit share from each book that has exceeded 120k words and completed on the platform. But be careful, guys, because all bonuses can be deducted if your editor caught any suspicious activities such as plagiarism, repeated chapters, and low quality content. So guys, before I tell you how to sign in, if you go back to my previous video, you would see when I talked about signing up and creating your cover. So just do well to watch the video. So here's how to sign in. You create an account on GoodNovel, you upload your story and cover, you fill out your contract application form, you wait for review and approval, and you sign your contract and start earning money. So just go back to the video and you'd see everything about signing in, but it's not a step-by-step tutorial video. And also, GoodNovel has specific content guidelines, so make sure that your work meets their requirements. If not, guys, they won't approve your work. Like, what do I mean? I'm talking about genre preferences. You'd see stuff like romance, werewolf, and everything. So me, I'm a romance writer, so I always pick romance as my genre. And they also have content policies. Like, for example, GoodNovel prefers original content, so make sure your story is unique and not copied from anywhere else. And a lot of authors have found success on GoodNovel. I remember when I started off as an exclusive contract writer on GoodNovel, I earned a lot of money in my first few months, guys. I'm not saying my first 1 month or 2 months. I said my first few months, guys. But it was not easy, and GoodNovel kept on rejecting my work for like up to 3 times. But at the end of the day, I'm earning money because they'll give you a signing bonus. That's for new authors, guys. And they also promote top performing authors on their platform. So you can see that GoodNovel is a good start-off point for writers. And if you want to succeed on GoodNovel, here are things that you need to focus on. Focus on creating high-quality content. Now, let me explain. Make sure that your story is engaging, well edited, and free of errors. Let me tell you something, guys. If I read a story and the first chapter is not good, like I'm talking about chapter 1, like your first 5 lines are not catchy, guys, I would not even bother reading the rest. So make sure your work is very engaging, well edited, and free of errors. And then you have to design eye-catchy covers. Let me tell you something. A lot of people, especially people that are into werewolf stories, they love when the covers are looking very catchy. So make sure that your designs are very catchy. My video, I made something similar to that, but it's not a step-by-step tutorial. And make sure your story is very relevant, and your marketing strategy, guys. Let me tell you something. GoodNovel is not really, will I say that it's just they don't really accept social media, and they accept it at the same point. But I just advise you to just share your work with your friends, because sometimes they don't really like you sharing your work on other social media platforms. So just to be on a safer side, especially when you're an exclusive writer, just don't bother posting your work on social media. And then engage with communities, just like good novel writing groups, participate in discussions and learn from authors. And let me tell you the main thing, guys: make sure that you are on good terms with your editors, because they would help you seriously. Like, my editor really helped me, so make sure that you're on good terms with your editors, guys. So that is it for today. I hope that this video helped you to understand GoodNovel better. And if you're a writer, consider giving GoodNovel a try. And you can comment on and tell me your favorite part of this video and what you want me to talk about next. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.